Hello sweet friends, a very warm welcome to my channel. Autumn is here, so I thought it's best to use the beautiful autumn colors in today's tutorial. So here is the Royal Red Rose in one stroke deco art style. These are the materials which are to be used for today's tutorial. I start with a Brustro black watercolor paper and size is 7.5 centimeters by 12 centimeters and it has a stencilled gold background. This is the palette for the roses. I have crimson, orange, golden yellow, black and white acrylic and I am using flat brush number 6. In the beginning, I have used only 3 colors, orange, crimson and a bit of black for the rose. As I build the rose ahead, I will be using more of white and golden yellow as and when required. As this has a very dark background, it takes 2 or 3 coats of colors to make it more vibrant. It is said that dark red roses represent humility or unconscious beauty. Now, roses have delicate petals and a very sweet scent. They are a stunning addition to a gift or a garden and a great way to show that you honor the radiance of the recipient. How cool is that? Alright, so here I'm adding highlights to the petals which are in the forefront. You can see that there is more of golden yellow and a tinge of white on the brush and that makes all the difference to the petals. Now the highlights should be used very wisely. The whole rose should not be of the same color. I mean to say one solid color. There has to be some variation to bring it to life. Now I go ahead and make the beautiful leaves. This is the palette for the leaves. I have used only bamboo, deep green and white acrylics and I am still using a flat brush number 6. These are the stunning large leaves. The black background accentuates these beautiful colors and that is why these leaves look full of vibrancy and awesomeness put together. Next are the tiny slider or filler leaves. Here I will add a little more of white to the mix of greens so that it stands out among the background foliage. It's time for the flower center. So I have gone ahead and picked up a liner brush and acrylic golden yellow to paint the pollen. And that brings us to the close of today's Royal Roses tutorial. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial as much as I did while painting it. We'll be back very soon with more videos. Till then, bye-bye.